we have about a 2-year-old dog named Aspen, and the other night she looked like she was going to go into labor, so we kept checking on her, and she did not. But the next morning, we got some puppies. So we were expecting to have these puppies, and we were very excited about them, and we were like, okay, she started her contractions. We have like an hour, I think, until puppies. We came back in the greenhouse maybe 20 minutes later, and we had our first puppy laying in the hay with her, and we were like, okay, so we're just gonna wait until the other ones are born, because she's doing pretty good, so. Down a lot. I'm pretty sure those were her last. Just so you know, these adorable little puppies, when they are about 2 months old, will get their first shots and will be for sale on Uncle Henry's and Craigslist if you're interested. Here's an update on the puppies. Here we go. The puppies are now almost 6 weeks old. They're getting super big, they're super cute, and they will be for sale. So we live in Maine if you're interested. They're purebred Great Pyrenees, and they've gotten so adorable over the past couple of weeks.